Negative 3 plus 3 will give 0. 0 times 9 is equal to 0. And then we have 0 over 3 to be equal to 0. This is wrong. The best way to solve this is by using the order of operation so that we'll have negative 3 plus 3 times 7. Since multiplication appears before addition and subtraction, 3 times 7 will give 27. So then we have divided by 3. Now negative 3 plus 27. This is the numerator. So let's sort the numerator out before we include the denominator. So negative 3 plus 3 will give 24, and 24 over 3 will give 8. Another way to solve this is by saying negative 3 plus 27, write it in brackets, then say divided by 3. From the PEMDAS rule, we know that we have to solve the parentheses before any other thing. So negative 3 plus 27 will give 24. And then we can now say 24 divided by 3, and this will give 8. So 8 remains the correct answer for this question.